What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Prince Hoffman here with Quick Homes Rwanda, bringing you yet another video tour. Today we're in Kicukiro in a place called Muyange. We are visiting this brand new house. This house is really beautiful. It sits on a plot of 365 square meters. It has a large parking of about 6 cars. It has a garden, and overall the house has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a sizable living room, a dining area, and a kitchen, almost open kitchen with cabinetry, and also every single room comes with its own closet, and also the living room and the master bedroom comes with gypsum ceilings. On the outside you have an annex with a kitchen, a maid's quarter, and a bathroom. It also comes with a tank of water of 5,000 liters. It's in a perfect neighborhood, very safe, and in a very good developed area. This house is on the market for $65,000 or 65 million Rwandan francs. For those that are interested in this home or that know somebody that might be interested, please find our contact details and website in the description down below. Not forgetting, please consider subscribing if you are new here. We post content like this on a regular basis, and also if you enjoyed this tour, please give us a like. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and make this video reach more people and also grow our channel. Without further ado, please enjoy the tour.